ayan. Hello. English or Spanish? Like this. Hi, I'm excited.
Hey guys, I hope you enjoy my vlog. This vlog's just gonna be a chill one, and it's also gonna be my very first vlog, so I hope you enjoy it. Bye!
So basically, I just lay in bed for a few hours. In this time lapse, it's probably 3 hours. And now I'm going outside. Hi guys, I'm with my brother right now.
Hello.
And we're about to go outside. I'm a bit camera shy, so I don't know if people are gonna stare at me. Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. Close the gate. Hi, Bebe. Nakita ko yung TikTok mo. Say hi to the vlog. Say hi to the vlog. Say hi to the vlog.
Hi.
No, we're not.
Day in the life of a famous TikToker.
Day in the life of a famous TikToker. So first, like that. So first, it's so embarrassing holding a camera in public. So first, fine. So first, don't worry guys, we wear sunscreen.
Oh my gosh, our vlog is so...
So first, where's Liam?
Are we going... Is tomorrow we're going to the movies?
Yeah, as a family. Oh, they're there. It's so nice, like, it's so aesthetic. Say hi. Again, and 2 times. They're camera shy. Guys, come and say hi to my vlog. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much to
Like, circle. Yeah, it can be like that, but it's not 3, no, it's the other camera.
Our channel has 1,000.
Hi Skibby Toilets! Welcome to our Skibby Toilet channel.
Yeah, nag-sunscreen kami.
Kaya naman pala sabi mo 10 minutes. So, you're saying to me na 10 minutes kayo nag-sunscreen?
Dito may kasi ako. Hi vlog, I pooped in my house. Uy, ang kulit nito, diba? Yung sa live stream.
Gusto niyo ng umbrella? Okay, so mag-share tayo.
No!
Okay, sa Toria,
Guys, let's go to Ayo's house.
excited na kayo bukas?
Can I see that?
I'm so excited. We're gonna go to the movies tomorrow.
Ang ganda daw nila.
It's not 360 right now.
Later.
Yeah, later. I'll put it to 360.
Wait, ano? Paano siya na ano? Like, ginagamit dalawang camera?
Oh, we're going to Ayo's house.
Okay.
Oo, your ate Ayel or sister daughter-in-law.
Daughter-in-law.
Sister-in-law.
Kakasal What?
Wala.
No, ba't bukas yung kotse ni Ayel? Hala! Hala, it's a haunted house. It's a haunted... Binobomba lang yung ano... Binobomba. The tires of the car. Girl, put your records
Uy,
on.
kayo naman magtawag.
Sabi mo,
Ariel.
say hi to my vlog. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much. Are you going to send that on YouTube?
Yeah.
Ba't mo isasend?
Do I have your consent?
Yes.
Yes.
Oh, I have their consent.
Sa Aya, tanongin mo yung
And B, like this. Hi, I'm excited. Sobrang laro.
Ate, get your Spanish.
Sobrang laro.
Anong lalaro ng...
Uy, nasisira.
So embarrassing.
I know how to...
Zumba.
Zumba, zumba.
I know how to do this.
Say zumba, zumba.
Zumba, Zumba.
Yes.
so preppy in
Meron
here.
yung ano no, like SD card.
It's so
Yeah.
English
It's
or
selfie.
Spanish?
It's in selfie mode.
Mag-ano tayo ng tao, English or Spanish?
Okay.
360 mo.
English or Spanish?
Tao.
Tao? Hanap? Hanap tayo ng tao.
Ano na yun?
Bing bong!
Sadness na lang ako. Bahala kayo dyan.
I'm disgust.
I'm gonna be, I'm gonna be sadness.
And I will
I'm gonna be...
Can I hold?
Hold? No, this is slippery. This is 60,000 pesos off of Amazon.
Hello, 20.
I don't know the price.
Bro!
Bro! Can we go to...
Bigla lang ako sa para mag-isa ako.
This is the haunted car.
Pumili kayo ng emotion.
Neutral
What if
emotion.
walang damit? Ay no, katulad nun. Walang damit. Ay, yung bata na yun.
Yung bata na yun.
Just saying.
Ayokong umasa sa panin.
English or Spanish?
Kuya, English or Spanish? Kuya? Kuya! English or Spanish? English or Spanish, kuya? Kuya, English or Spanish? No? Pwede mo bigyan!
Why did you leave me?
I'm tired. That was good. So good. Some mysterious guys following us behind. Andun yung mga gwardiya, pinapatugtog.
Ay.
Emergency, emergency, paging Dr. Beat. Emergency, paging Dr. Beat.
Natatay na si Ila eh.
Let's go to...
Natatay na daw guys si Ila.
No.
Tsak na.
Sir, ka daw mo namin si Aran. Kahit dito swimming.
Hi! That's my...
That's
Anak.
my... Ha?
That's my anak.
Anak!
Yung ano yung bata?
Ayun na yun! Elay, habulin mo!
Hoy! Yung sigaw. Lalaki. The police officers were laughing.
Asan na si Elay?
Paano naging pangit yung ito?
Oh, Jared's there. English or Spanish? Dali.
Jared, punta ka dito.
Are you kidding me? No! Stop! Ilay pa! English or Spanish?
I'll give you 100 pesos.
No.
English or Spanish? Whoever mo gives me.
Walang ganon, hindi ganon. Hindi gagana yun, dapat sagutin mo na.
Someone try
English
to
or
get the
Spanish?
striker.
English or Spanish?
Oh!
English or Spanish?
Ano, gumana?
English or Spanish?
May gumana. She's like, come over here.
Sky? Saan si Nico?
Guys, someone tried to kidnap Russell.
Come over here.
Mom! That's it. Yes. I thought you sing it to me.
I don't need no light. Saan nga yung English or Spanish kid? Uy!
Tawagin natin si Nico para may English or Spanish.
Nico?
Yeah.
Sa street ko?
Yeah. Sunod tayo kay Jared. Try natin Japanese or ano?
Saan si Jared?
Japanese or Chinese? Japanese or Chinese?
Where's Jared?
My legs are giving up.
Then we're going home na nga. Ate, yung anak mo doon. Andun po, andun. Singer! Oh my gosh, what if our house got broken into and there's a burglar in our house right now? I'm so tired.
Were the shoes always like that?
Yes, and there's...
Intruder.
It's not an intruder, that's a cat.
It's like this fight.
Alice? Alice? So guys, we are done playing outside.
I'm so thirsty.
Drink my water.
Is it cool?
Bye!